Thanks for watching and for hopefully beginning to actually take step 2 of how to use Zoom for a primetime TV presence. In case you missed it, step 2 is about checking your available bandwidth and doing a workaround if you need to. Nice! It's part of our 5-part series, so if you missed it, it's right there on my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/Art Johnson. However, now it's time to take your next power step step 3, having to do with getting your audio right as you continue to go for that primetime celebrity type TV presence sounding good over Zoom. So here we go. So step 3 after those 2 steps, critical viewing, critical doing, and, checking your bandwidth is to get your audio right. These are essential things you need to understand about audio and getting it right. Understand that the audio over the internet is called voice over IP. And understand that your computer's mic isn't that good from the beginning, and the audio will echo disruptively and clip your words, making your sentences indiscernible if the sound from your speaker is too loud and feeds back into your mic. You get this horrible disruptive echo, and I see it all the time. And there's just a great easy workaround for that. The quality will be better if you use earbuds. Earbuds come with your smartphone, the little mini pin. And because the audio from your speakers won't feed back into your computer's microphone, your audio quality will be better and it won't echo and clip. So just remember to wear your earbuds. Now, the quality will be way better if you invest in a professional quality microphone. And we'll talk about that. So again, use your earbuds for the best audio quality. And that's going to be true even if you have a really good microphone. You've got to keep those circuits separate. So using earbuds keeps the audio from your computer speaker from feeding back again and creating disruptive echoing and clipping, which can destroy your whole session. Pro USB mics have a mini pin input right on them for your earbuds. So you can monitor not only your voice, but also what's coming out of your computer system. Another key principle, a quality principle, is a principle of working distance, understanding what your mic's working distance is. The working distance is how close you need to be to your mic to have optimal audio quality. If you're too far away from the optimal working distance for the mic you are using, your audio will suck. It's as simple as that. These recommended USB mics are designed for you to be close to them. See her, how close she is to her mic? She has a pop screen there. You may have to edit your audio settings on your Mac or your Windows PC to get the levels right, and you search for how-to information on YouTube, and sometimes you can find some excellent how-to information about how to get those settings right. So here's a mic that you may want to consider investing in, particularly if you're a professional presenter and you really want to connect with people and not destroy your session with bad audio. So this is the Yeti USB mic. It's a popular mic for podcasters. It's powered from one of your computer's USB ports. It has 4 pickup patterns. So say, for instance, you do have someone you're sitting beside in the physical world. You can choose one of those patterns that kind of pick up both sides of that. And then you can plug your earbuds directly into that and monitor, latency-free the audio that's coming through your mic and from the speakers. It's available in a choice of colors to match your brand. This one, the Blue Yeti, it was also known as the Blue Yeti for a long time until they discovered that they'll sell more if they make different colors. Your audio will be way better if you use a mic like this. This price now is about $129. Now, of course, there are other lower cost USB mics. There are many look-alike lower-cost mics to be found on Amazon with unknown brand names and quality that's unknown. However, you can read the reviews and ratings about them on Amazon, and some of them will be quite good. I'm not advocating the one you see here. I've never even tried it, but you can search YouTube for unboxing reviews and people will tell you what they thought. And even a lower cost USB mic will really help. So consider investing in a mic, whatever your budget is, and use it with your earbuds. Price for this one is $52.99 and up. So that's really neat. Another thing to consider, I got into situations where, you know, I had to be back from with my webcam to get the whole scene, but I needed the mic close up. So I invested in a Rode Video Mic Studio Boom Kit, which is a pretty good investment. It basically has a Rode video mic that's battery powered. So it's got more power than a regular one that's not battery powered. And it has a wind muff that filters for wind noise if you're outside. And it has a shock mount that works with my Ulanzi U-Rig Pro shooting rig, which is a good investment. I'll talk about that a little bit later. 25-foot cable and a booming stand that can get the optimal working distance right, recording physical world side-by-side conversations. So something to consider here, the whole package, Mike Your Talent will make the difference. So that's it for this step, but there's more, especially if you visit my YouTube channel. And if you like what you see and where I'm going with all this stuff, I invite you to also subscribe to my channel and click on my bell icon to be notified of more good stuff to come. Now, what about this content that I just shared with you? Please weigh in with your thumbs up or your thumbs down, because I care. And what about what's on your mind now that you've just viewed my content? Please make a comment below so I can learn more about how I can best serve you. As we all keep moving forward, not only just surviving, but also thriving. And if you'd like to know more about me, about my background, and about my services, then I invite you to visit and browse my website build at newworldcom.com and possibly even meet with me face-to-face inside my Zoom-powered virtual architecture. Just give me a call so we can both take full advantage of 30 minutes of free consultation time meeting together inside of Zoom itself. Sweet. Even in those free 30 minutes, we can connect, and I may be able to help you fast-track stuff. So just call and text me at 206-920-8067. I look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.